we want to find a way in a collaborative project in which we can compare the awareness between different systems, so different robots, but also perhaps animals or people. And we want to be able to do that for very minimal systems, so nothing too complicated. The way in which we want to approach that is by specifying what we mean with awareness and making it a bit more precise. For example, if we have various dimensions of awareness, such as spatial awareness, then we can look at capacities of awareness. An example of that might be planning. Then we can look at a task with which we can test that. An example might be a detour task. If I want to get to the dog, I would normally just walk in a straight line to the dog. But if there's suddenly an obstacle in the way, I would have to find a way around that. For me, that's a very simple way to do. But if we then ask the Roomba to do that, as you all might know, it might just start furiously bumping into it. So it becomes a bit more of a challenge. Can you maybe tell me what they're doing?
So at the moment, they are doing some kind of grouping together, so moving closer together. And they're doing this through vibrations in their legs, that's how they move around.
Okay, and in doing that, what are they aware of?
So they actually have very minimal sensing capabilities. They can actually sense light, but they also send messages to each other. So when it comes to designing behaviors for robots, we're really interested in being able to improve the robot's behaviors in order to complete certain tasks. For example, the robots might be picking up boxes and then moving them to the other side of the room. So what we want to do is to use an evaluation of awareness in order to improve the behaviors towards completing